everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another Olympiad question. Let's get started. Double square root of x plus square root of x plus 7 equals 7, and we are going to find the value of x. Okay, let's get started. You can see that we have a square root of x here and here, so let radical x be t, and rewrite this equation: a square root of t plus a square root of t plus 7 equals to 7. And the next step is to take one of these radicals, for example this one, to the right hand side of the equation. But don't forget that when you shift and move one term from one side of the equation to the other side, you should change the sign. So we will have a square root of t plus 7 equals to 7 minus a square root of t. And then for getting rid of some of these square roots, we will raise both sides of the equation to the power of 2. Okay, so we have radical t plus 7 squared, so the answer is t plus 7. And for this one, as you may know, this is a square of binomial, which gives you, let me write here, a minus b squared equals to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So t plus 7 equals to 7 squared is 49, radical t squared is positive t, and 2y's, the product of 7 and radical t, would be negative 14 square root of t. And you can see that we have one t here and here. You can cancel out and take 49 to the left hand side of the equation. 7 minus 49 is negative 42. And in order to finding radical t, you should divide both sides by negative 14. So a square root of t is 3, so t is 9. But it's not the final answer because we are looking for value of x. So the last step is that radical x is t, so raise both sides to the power of 2, so x is 9 squared, which is 81, the final answer. Okay, see you in next video. Bye bye.